What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another moto vlog. Today we're at a type of motocross track that I kind of struggle with. There's a lot of people on the track, mix of, you know, C riders, B riders, A riders, like extremely fast people. It's super bumpy, like acceleration bumps and braking bumps. There's ruts everywhere. It's a track that really challenges me, and I only come here maybe once or twice a year, so I really gotta like just force myself to come and commit. So we're here to practice, to learn. Let's get to it. See how we do. Whoa! No idea why the bike lifted like that. That was weird. Come on, big rut. Wow. Gotta get used to that, like this guy right here. Whoa. Let's go. We made it through it, we survived. We got like tons of people behind me. It makes me nervous, man, holy shit. I gotta get used to it. Hold my line. Conquered it. Gotta like seat bounce that jump out of that corner. We're sticking with some of these dudes. Yeah. Hell yeah. Makes me feel accomplished to a degree. Oh my god. Freaking Bruce. Oh my god, dude. This is freaking chaos. I gotta watch out for the people that are trying to pass me. Watch out for the people that are slower than me. Whoop. Oh! I am expecting these guys to hit the jumps. That was a little sketchy. Gotta just look ahead, be aware of that shit. Whoa! Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh! Alright, I'm not an inside line guy, but we'll try it. Oh, oh. This is one of those tracks where it's very hard for me to talk and moto vlog while I'm trying to ride. Oh, oh, oh. Braking bumps are gnarly as shit. Ruts are gnarly. Oh! I have like no idea what I'm doing. Just like gooning out in front of people. Woo! Whiskey! Oh! Jesus, dude is absolutely flying around these corners. sketchy. Nice, buddy. All right, Derek, take it. You're tired of shit. Oh man, I need to stop. I'm so exhausted. All right, going back on track. Feel like I'm riding a little bit better, a little bit looser that last time around. So let's see how we do now. So close. Oh, damn it. You need a lot of speed to clear that thing and then make the corner gonna be so hard on the brakes. Try to do some laps with my buddy Udi. It's the MX Udi in front of me. Oh, this KTM 252 stroke. Oh, he didn't take the rut either. I mess it up every time. So much just more fun to go around it. Slimy. Man, good for him. Let's see if I can pass him on this inside. Oh, I messed it up. Damn it. All right, what do you think? Can we take this inside? Oh boy. Oh boy. That was awful. Braking bumps are so gnarly, they're killing me. Even standing up there, just jar my arms so freaking much. It was an awesome day here at this track. I feel like I got up a good flow, good time with my buddies, conquered all the jumps like no freaking problem. It's kind of a squid in the ruts, but we hit some corners okay. Overall, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, don't run over his bike, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.